Okay, so this is a tic-tac-toe board that will be sent home next week. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on the webpage. And what we are learning this week is how to set up word problems so that when we start reading them, we won't just feel lost and we don't even know where to start. So what the students have to ask themselves is, what is the whole and what are the parts? Okay? And then they're going to build an equation. All right. So this first one is part whole. Sam has 25 cars. He gives his brother 12 of them. How many toy cars does Sam have now? So he doesn't get more. So that's going to be the most he's going to have is 25. So that is the whole. So they would write 25 in the whole part. And then the part he gives away is 12. So when I know the whole and I know the part, I have to then ask, what kind of operation am I doing? What am I trying to find out? I'm trying to find out the part that's left. So I'm going to do subtraction. So my equation would be 25 minus 12 equals, and then if you need to get 25 pennies out and let them remove 12 of them to see what's left. There's different ways you can do this, but the answer is 13. Okay, so that is how you would do that part of the tic-tac-toe. Now, you don't have to do the whole sheet. Remember, you're just making a tic-tac-toe. So if I did the upper square and I have the free space, I can come down here and do this problem, and I'm done with my homework. So I don't know if you were aware of that. So on this problem right here, your turn, have your child draw a number line to solve the addition problem 12 plus 24. So I would have a child start at 0, jump 12 times, and then say, okay, we're going to count 24 more jumps, and then count out 24 more jumps. What does that equal? 36. Okay? Then you can have them do subtraction the same way. Okay, we're going to start at 29. So maybe you let them jump out 29 times and then say, now come back 11 times. So where are you at? Because you counted, so they're going to count backwards 11 times. So this is how much effort you want to put into it. I mean, obviously, if I was doing it in the classroom, I'd get some painter's tape, I'd put it down on the floor, I'd mark the stuff off so the kids could really see it. But if you're at home, maybe you have a tile floor and you could just notch off, well, let's count the tiles you jump. Or if you don't, I mean, it's just maybe you're going to just do jumps. I mean, make this work for you. This is not meant to be difficult. It is meant to have a little bit of math time with your child. So they would just do those problems. The multi-step. This one, you have your child start at 0, jump out 15, jump out 9 more. Where are you? Oh, you're at 24 now. Now we're going to count back. Okay, you got to jump backwards. Jump back 7. That's a whole body experience, and this one is going to be so beneficial to your child. Doing these whole body ones are very, very important. So that is how you do those. I hope that helped you some. This number hop subtract I thought was really interesting too. It says mark a number line across the floor. Place sticky notes numbered 50 through 70 at equal intervals on a number line. To subtract, stand at the whole amount and then hop to the left of the number and subtract. So again, it's a lot like this number line one, okay? So these are very similar, but those are ones that a lot of times your kids can do and enjoy and have fun doing, and it doesn't feel like homework. They have another hopping one here. So they're really just having you mark the floor with some Post-it notes. So if you could pick up an extra pack and mark the floor and in equal intervals and let them do that, that would be wonderful. If you don't have time to do that, these part whole ones are probably what you're going to want to stick with. This one says she has 32, she spends 16 on a gift for her brother. How much money does she have now? Well, we started with the whole amount she had was $32. She spent 16. So they're going to solve what's left, okay? So that's how those work. Up here at the top, there's a whole part, and this one is there's 16 boys at recess, 15 girls join them. So now we got two parts. We're putting stuff together. How many children are there at recess now? So you have 16 here. You have 15 here. We're going to put it together. We're going to get 31. Please have them write the equation and talk about this is an equation and it has an equal sign, and that's why we call it an equation. When it doesn't have an equal sign, we call it an expression. So that's just some good vocabulary they can be building on. So I hope this helped you a little bit, and with this tic-tac-toe board that I've been hearing about, I hope this helps. If it doesn't, we'll try something else, okay?